how to make a link tree on TikTok. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now first of all, just go to your browser and search for a link tree, and you'll end up on this website right here. Now right here you can choose get started for free. So if you click on that, you'll end up right here, and you have to register an account. So I'm just going to create an account real quick. Now once you create an account, you want to fill in your name right there, and you can select one of these categories, but I don't really have to select them. Then just do the reCAPTCHA and click save details. And once you have done that, your link tree should be created. First they want to select, you have to select a plan. Just going to continue with the free one. Then it says thanks for signing up, and you have to verify your account by clicking on the link in your bio. You can do that later on if you want to, but for now I'm just going to show you guys how to add a link and all that. So if you just click on add a link right there, you can enter a title, something like YouTube, and then youtube.com .com/channel, and then slash blah blah, and then you can add another link, something like Facebook, and you can add more, I don't know, something like Instagram. You can do this yourself. Just make sure to put the title there and add a link right there. You can also just switch them up like this. Now once you've done all that, at the top you should see my link tree. You can click on share and then copy my link tree URL. Now once you've done all that, you can go back to TikTok and you want to add this to your bio. Now in order to add a clickable link to your bio, you want to switch to a pro account. If you click on the settings, manage account, right here you should see pro account, select a business account, select any of these categories, next, and we've now created a business account. From here on out, you want to click on edit profile, and then right here you should see website. Now, if you click on the website, right here you can add the Linktree link in there, and we've now added that. And if you click on it, you can see that you'll get this message. Just click on open anyway, and since I haven't really verified my account yet, you can see this. But if you have actually verified your account, you should see your normal link tree. So that's basically it. That's how you can add a link tree to your TikTok account. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.